We did this 2 years ago in silence, and look where we are now, Al. Growing an empire the outside world knows not to about.
A few moments later. 2,000 years later. A little longer than a few minutes later.
Babe, what's up?
Eternity later. Meanwhile.
Okay. This company was making profit for a long time. And this guy was from our college only. Okay, he made a documentary about it. Wait a minute. What? Oh no, I have to tell my friends about this.
Hey guys, come, I have something interesting to share you. Yeah, please come. Yeah, so basically there's this company, a student just like us. He exposed a big company who was making a huge profit
That's
out
so
of their
sad.
factory by harming the environment and the local people. Yeah, and it was all just for a profit. So when the video got attention, the company actually came forward and admitted that they were responsible.
Who does that?
Exactly, and his actions, it reached to the outer
So
world just
what
because
was
of the
company
student.
doing?
No, so the company, he was producing something which actually not only harmed the environment, but it was a
Okay.
huge threat to the people
Oh my
living in that
God.
area, which is completely illegal. Yeah, and so somebody has to talk about it, right? Well, the company did get into trouble. The workers, they got arrested. It got shut down as well for some time. But guess what? The owner, he disappeared. No traces, nothing. Just completely gone. Nobody could find him, not even the police.
How do you know?
So actually, there's this documentary which is already uploaded on the YouTube. Come. I'll show you. Yeah. Yes, so here's this.
Hello guys, Abhishek here. There's a lot of pollution here, and I've taken all the photos, videos about the pollution from the areas around here. And there is a lot of pollution taken place, and it's damaging our environment so bad. And literally they are chasing after me right now. I don't know what to do. I have attached all the photos and the videos related to this pollution. The Sector 7 labs are created. So please go through those links and see those photos and videos. Please report it to some government or CBI officers. There should be an immediate action taken place against this Sector 7 labs. Please. Fuck.
And guess what? When the video got uploaded, the student, he was found dead after a few days.
That's so bad.
Yeah, it is actually so scary. Yes.
Just can't imagine what he had gone through.
Yeah, and
I mean,
it's
it's
just a student like
exactly.
us.
Yeah. Did you see yesterday the video that Shreya had shared? This is very serious issue. I know, right?
People need to know what exactly happened 2 years ago. This is not something which has to be taken lightly. They deserve to know.
So, guys, we have to take this responsibility and we have to spread the awareness. We won't let the wrong happen to us. So, please take these posters, go paste it around the corner, and make sure it reaches the people. Okay? So, let's go. You go there, you go there.
Done. Order issue.
कोई बंदा यहाँ पे मूत रहा है खाने वाला पे।
Mukesh.
Hello, sir. This is Blessita speaking. Yes. So, yes, I'm hoping that you have read all the articles. Yeah. So, and that the only motive of our students and our classmates is that the young boy should really deserve a justice. Yes. 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 Yes, sir. Okay, and please do inform every CPA that's possible. This case is very serious, and we need to make sure that, yeah, we know that CEO is unknown, the owner company is unknown, everything fair enough, but so this is really serious. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Good day, sir.
So, guys, regarding that case, so the police have founded it, and the company is kind of shut down, and everything is kind of confiscated. They are searching for the evidences and all, but the CEOs is still missing. Like the main person who was behind all of this is still missing, and like we can't do anything as such. We have done everything we could have, and there's nothing as such left. Yeah, sorry.
Which class? Which class do we have next?
I don't know. I think, is it the boring professor? Again.
It's time up. Let's go.
Yeah, we'll have to tolerate him. I'm already so exhausted.
What really happened 2 years ago, and who's the person behind all this?